How to change currency on AliExpress. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are shopping on AliExpress and you notice that the prices are in wrong currencies, don't worry. Changing it is simple and quick. And in this video, I'll show you how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the AliExpress on your phone. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and this will direct you to your account settings. And once you are here, simply look for the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And once you have located that, simply tap on it. Now here inside the settings, you will find several options to personalize your experience. So simply scroll down and tap on the currency option. Now here you will see a list of available currencies. So simply select the one that you prefer, and once you have selected that, the currencies will be automatically updated. And if the currency you want isn't listed, you can fix this by adjusting your country or region settings, and this will update your currencies based on your new location. And that's all there is to it. Now you can shop on AliExpress with the currency that you prefer. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.